Have you ever found yourself in the need of marking out from the inside of a corner or the outside of a corner? Well, I found this device made out of timber on another channel, and I thought, well, I could make this with the 3D printer. And so here's the result. I've got a marking out gauge with a sliding ruler that can mark distances from the inside or the outside of a corner. It can mark 45s, so you can mark against a 45, either at the corner or along the edge. And also you can mark out a straight corner or a straight line from the edge of a board. So very handy. You can just swap that ruler across and into the other slot and set up the distance you need, the depth you need. And I've also put in rebates into the printing so that you can actually see the markings on the ruler easier. And then you can just simply mark a line and consistently mark that line along an edge wherever you need it, from side to side. And so here's another use case. So here's a scrap of melamine, and supposing I need to mark in from each corner the same distance for some feet or something else that I want to add, and I want to do it accurately, I can actually set up with my marking gauge and work in from each corner. So I reverse the ruler, so I'm using the external guide, and I can come up and simply set the depth that I need and then mark each of the four corners, and then I have the exact same location on each of those four corners marked. Very quick, very easy. Now reversing the ruler up onto the 90-degree side, I can then go in and mark some points along the edge of the board consistently from both sides. And with this ruler being a 150mm ruler and the size of this piece of melamine, I can also come in from the other edge and very quickly get an easy mark on both sides that line up. And if need be, I can even reverse the piece of timber around the other way, quickly mark again, and I'm able to see where the center of that board is between those two marks. And if I want to, I can also use the gauge as a square. So I can put my square line on either side. And also, reverting back to the 45-degree insert, I can actually use the guide to mark some 45 lines in the corner as well, so that I've then got the exact locations to drill those 4 holes for the feet. Easily done, very quick, very adjustable, and either hang it on the wall and grab it whenever you're doing your next project. So there you have it. I hope you find this device to be potentially useful, and if you do, shoot me a comment, and these are available through my Facebook store, posted in Australia. Thanks for watching.